Does this sound familiar? You open up your favorite AI tool and you ask it to write you a social media post for your business, and you get something back that is like super generic and super boring and super lifeless. So you try to fix it. You spend like 20 minutes trying to get into it to sound like you, to know everything it needs to know about your business. It just can't seem to get there. So you close the tab, you walk away frustrated, and then nothing gets posted on social media today. This frustration really does make sense. But here's the truth. It's honestly not AI's fault. You never taught it anything about you, your business, or your customer. So I think it's time that we fix this. Now, before we get into it, this video is sponsored by Adobe Express. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how we use Adobe Express and how it fits into this whole AI graphic system so that you can design really intentional content that's going to be engaging for your audience. We're not just here to design stuff. We're here to build a system that actually is going to work and come to life with the help of AI. So here's what I want you to know you're going to walk away with by the end of this video. 1. 3 documents are going to teach your AI everything you need to know about your business so it stops sounding generic and starts sounding just like you. 2, we're going to go over what a brand kit is and how Adobe Express is going to be used to support those visuals for consistent, professional, and already done for you every single time. And 3, we're going to have a system for feeding both of those things into AI and getting back your captions, your graphic direction, and the image copy all from one prompt. This is going to be important for you to know. There's no design experience required. You do not need to hire a designer. You don't need to hire a social media manager. We're going to be starting from scratch with everything so that you can do this right every single time. So step number 1 is about building those 3 documents. So here's where a lot of people really miss the boat when it comes to making AI work. They open it, they type in the prompt, and they hope for the best. But the whole problem is that AI is not magic. It's only a reflection of what you give it. If you're not giving it anything, it's not going to give you anything back. If you give it everything it needs to know about your business, it's going to give you really good content that is actually going to work and actually going to sound like you. But you have to do more than just upload a link to your website and tell it what your name is. We're going to want to create 3 intentional documents to make this work. Number 1, I call business basics. This is who you are, what you do, who you serve, what makes you different. Not that fluffy stuff. This is going to be like the real version of you. The one that you would tell someone if you're at a networking event and you're having a good gab with a cocktail in your hand, right? And you're going to probably need more than a couple minutes to explain what it is that you do. Document number 2 is your perfect customer avatar. Not just small business owners or homeowners who live in my area. Like, we're talking actual people. What comes up into them in the middle of the night that wakes them up, makes them just hate everything about life? What have they already tried doing? What are they really looking for when they're trying to find you? The more specific you are here, the better your content is going to get. Every single time. I also, as a bonus, encourage you to make multiple versions of this person because you might have the same general sense of who that person is, but there's a difference between like a millennial homeowner and a boomer homeowner, right? So we really want to have that variety when we're putting this together. Our 3rd document is our voice document. This is how you talk, what you would never say, what phrases are yours, what tone do you use when you're talking to a client you actually like. This is the one that most people skip. And it is the reason that your AI content sounds like an AI made it, like everybody else is posting with it on social media. What we're going to do is take these 3 documents and load them into your AI before you ask it to do anything for you. And to make this easier, I've actually created these 3 documents that you can download that I have for you in the link down below. Grab that link, fill out that content so that it can be the best version of you to give to AI. And my bonus tip for you when you're filling these things out is do talk to text to fill in the answers. You'll be surprised how much more authentic you'll come across if you talk out your answers versus trying to type them, because that natural filter comes into place. Now, step number 2 is we're going to build your brand kit in Adobe Express. Now, while AI is learning, your words, your visuals are going to need a home too. And this is where Adobe Express comes in. Most small business owners either skip this step entirely or they redo it every single time when they sit down to create something. New colors, new fonts, starting from scratch every time. Like every single time. The amount of people I know that I run a business that don't like know what their actual colors are, what fonts they use, or even where their logo is astronomical. Now, Adobe Express has a brand kit feature available in it, and this is where you load everything in and you make it your business look the same on every platform. So your logo goes, your brand colors, your fonts, all put up there and saved so you can reference it and use it every single time. Right? And then you can apply it automatically to all of your designs. Again, this is not a design tool. This is a system for your small business to do what it needs to do. So it's not starting from scratch every single time. We are here to work smart, not hard. Okay. Now, before we get too far, you're probably already going to be asking me, hey, Desiree, Claude can make graphics. ChatGPT can make graphics. Nana Banana can make graphics. Why would I even need Adobe Express? But here's the thing. Yes, on paper, all those tools can actually do that. AI can generate images, but it's really incredible stuff that they can make. But the thing is, it's not going to be exactly yours. You can't save an exact layout for the next time. You can't let it swap out a word or move an element around or repost it in 30 seconds to all these different places. Right? You can't store your brand colors or your fonts or your logos or apply them automatically every single time. You cannot give a template that's already yours that you can hand to someone else on your team. Every time you generate an AI graphic, you're restarting over every single time. You're having to re-explain. You're hoping that it comes back with something similar that you had before, and that isn't always the case. With Adobe Express, you can build it once and save it. Use it again. You can tweak it in seconds. Your brand is already in there loaded. Your templates are already there, ready for you to go. That's control. And AI doesn't give you control. And for your business, we need control over the look, feel, and sound of our brand. Now, step number 3, we're going to feed everything into the AI. Okay, so now is where we make everything work together. So we're going to open up our AI and we're not going to just start typing and hope for the best. What we're actually going to do is we're going to take our documents, the 3 documents that I gave you that you downloaded and filled out already, as well as your brand kit, and we're going to go upload them up into a project file for what you're doing. Now, personally, I'm a big fan of using Claude. Claude has projects that you can do, but I also know ChatGPT has this as well. You're going to upload all of those files into the project source code. That way, it's all in there for you to reference every single time. That way, it's not something you have to upload every single time you do a chat. It's just always there to reference and access for your business basics, your customer avatar, your voice document. You don't need to redo it every single time. You just start talking to it with the prompt. Now, once you've uploaded that stuff into the project files, let's work through a prompt. Here's an example of what I think you should be doing for your prompt. I need a social media post for Instagram about your topic. For example, like this could be the latest changes in your industry, a service you offer, a common mistake your customers make. Reference my business basics and customer avatar so that the message speaks directly to my ideal customer, and write it in my brand voice. Then give me graphic direction that can be used in Adobe Express to build an effective branded template to support this post. Include the exact text that should appear on the image, maybe a headline, subline, or a call to action if needed. And give me a simple visual outline for inspiration for what the graphic layout should look like so I know which type of template to pull up on Adobe Express. That's just one prompt. But here is what it comes back. It's going to have your caption written out for you in your voice and your specific customer on that specific platform. You're going to have graphic direction that tells you the feel, the focus, and the visual approach that you should be doing with your graphic. And the exact copy is going to go on that image so you're not trying to guess. It's just a simple layout description so that you know exactly what to build over at Adobe Express. Now, everything that AI just gave you, let's head over to Adobe Express, pick out that template that matches your layout, inspiration, apply your brand kit in one click, drop it in your image copy, and make any small adjustments that you might have. Then simply just paste your caption into the scheduling tool, schedule it out through Adobe Express, and boom, you are done, okay? No guessing, no starting over, no staring at a blank screen. Now, to recap, here's that system that we want to build one more time. We have our 3 documents that teach your AI about your business. Your brand kit inside of Adobe Express makes your visuals consistent automatically. And one prompt gives you your caption, your graphic direction, your image copy, and your layout inspiration all at once. You can take all that over to Adobe Express and then it's done in minutes. That is it. That is the whole thing. If you want to go deeper into this, building your marketing system, understanding your customer, creating content that actually builds trust, what exactly you're going to do is go over and get inside of the table. Now, the link to that is in the description below. And if you're not already using Adobe Express, please go try it now. It is my absolute favorite. I've been an Adobe user for over 25 years. All right. The link is in the description and it's free to start, and your brand kit alone will save you more time than you think. Thanks.